Freak, are you kidding me? Let's dance in the rain while this world is going insane. Let's break these chains and feel free for just one day. Let's dance in the rain while this world is going insane.
Yes.
Let's break these chains.
These chains. All around us, what will surround us, what is in our surrounding with the people that we surround ourselves with. Do you get my drift? I'm coming at this track, I am Biff, and I will bully you, the bully of the year when I appear. You know it's the best of my appearance, and you tried to come through with that interference, but you won't be intercepting. I am the one, all of you I will be dissecting. You are the frog, and it is class. That is how I handle your punk bitch ass when I'm coming for your ass. Insane. Let's dance the dance as long as we have the chance. Maybe we can just go forward with no romance, with no condom on when we get it on. Your word is bond. I'll be the Mac Daddy. Your wife will call me daddy, and she will divorce you. That's what she will do. What can I say? I'm gonna change my name to Captain Screw, hopping around like a kangaroo when I give the good screw. You know, screwing is my profession. These tight hoes that I be stretching. Yeah, Bonnie. To Bonnie, she want it. Let's dance in the rain. Yeah. Come on, baby, let's take off our clothes. How it goes, I want you to take it and get naked. Bend over up on the grass. Let me fuck you in the ass up on the grass. You know my tongue will be up in your ass. I love the taste of your ass. I love the shit taste. I will eat out a woman's ass when I get shit faced and love the shit taste. How the shit tastes. What?